What the hell going on with y'all? It's your boy Hart. Today vlog, we with the big bro.
Hola.
Yes sir. And we about to go fishing.
Hey, I'm a big old gangster.
Hey, let them know. Let's see what we working with here.
Hold on. We pelican fly.
Okay.
What does it say right here? Big explorer.
Big explorer. 200.
Big gangster.
1,000.
Boots might pop it.
All that.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about that. The boat, he about to go in the water with it. For sure, for sure. Bro, you good, man? You gonna be all right?
Hold on. Let me do this. Let me do this for him.
Okay. Talk your shit. Go crazy.
Hell no.
Go crazy. Oh.
This shit out here.
Yeah, you out there now, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna come back in.
Yeah.
I'm floating in this bitch though.
You floating, but that bottom side look a little low.
Hey, it is low.
I done gave this man one of my cameras.
Hey, what if I caught a Charlie horse though?
Don't move. I gave this man one of my cameras. And he on the water with one of my cameras. Yeah, he out there. So right now we got my brother out there getting some footage out there. You know what I'm saying? If he catch a fish, it'll be lit. So yeah, here's what we doing today, man. I'm just trying to bring y'all something to watch, some entertainment. You feel me? But while we waiting here, go ahead and go down and like. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. I might do a breakdown video today. Don't know what song I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, shit coming soon though.
I just want to catch one. If I catch one fish out here, I'll be satisfied with life. Yeah, it's a little cold out here though. I ain't catching nothing yet. I think I need to keep my hand on the pole. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out farther too. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's do it. Oh shit, this weight too heavy though. What the hell? Oh. God damn. Hey, I'm gonna need a machine to pick this motherfucker up here. Okay, we good. Let me put this shit in the middle.
I just wanted to share with y'all how beautiful this look. Look at that. It just look peaceful. Are any of y'all good at fishing, man? Let me know down in the comments, man. Cause I suck. I'm very bad, man. I just don't have the patience to do it. You know what I'm saying? When he bite, that's his ass. Oh baby.
Oh shit, my bad, champ. Here we go. I figured it out. We out here, you know what I'm saying, on the water. You know, I'm gonna catch something out here, you feel me? We big gangsta out here. Ain't gonna lie, this shit scary as a motherfucker. Oh! Y'all, don't have a fish on. I'm stuck in, I'm stuck.
Hey y'all. He done got stuck, man. He got one of his lines stuck in the little grass over there. And it's pulling him closer and closer over there. That shit funny, bro.
You know where I put that one line down? It's all good. Y'all, what I don't want to do is obviously get my hook stuck in the my boat. I don't want it to get stuck in my boat. If that happened, then I'm fucked, dog. I ain't gonna cap to y'all though. If I catch one fish out here, I'm gonna be satisfied. I'm chilling in the bitch, man. So what we about to do real quick. About to FaceTime my baby mama. What you think I'm doing?
You're in the middle?
Yeah, look. We in this bitch. We in this bitch. Hey, this shit low key chill.
Did you put the anchor down?
Yeah, that motherfucker down. He ain't let me go nowhere.
Where's Ken?
He on land, dude. He vlogging right now, babe. I ain't gonna lie, this shit awkward than a motherfucker though. Oh yeah, I'm vlogging right now, babe. On Ken's YouTube channel. Look.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm vlogging on this little YouTube channel. He got a camera up there. I guess he got a new camera now.
Yeah. I think he's trying to get back in. Yeah, I think so. Oh, you ain't close? Okay, yeah, go crazy.
Alright, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to take both of them poles. I'm about to head back out there. Alright.
Oh!
You good?
Yep. Alright, man, we'll see you back.
Alright, bro. Ooh, this bitch in the bottom, bro. Okay, I'm gonna smack one of these fish.
Okay, yeah, go crazy then. He was just about to give up, too. Talk your shit. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah.
Here. You gotta pull that motherfucker in. He out there somewhere. There you go.
Oh!
Reel him, bro.
Oh! I got the camera in my hand. Oh, we got him, though.
Come on now.
Come on now.
Come on now, bro.
Come on now.
My fifth fish for the day. Little rainbowsy.
Yeah.
Put them in here with his little.
Get your limited edition Kobe's.
Okay.
I don't know what they call, but I think they mentalities.
Uh-huh.
I'm not absolutely sure.
Okay. Yeah. Go crazy.
Made in Vietnam.
Talk your shit.
Where y'all shoes made?
Yeah.
Hope it ain't America.
Hope it ain't America.
Cause then that shit fake.
It can't be America.
I just put this shit away.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you get me out my element,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna be pelican if I look at that.
Oh. Ain't going nowhere.
He think he cool. You know
Ain't going nowhere.
what I'm saying? He want
Yeah.
to race?
Yeah, go
I don't
crazy.
think so. I don't think so.
Talk your shit, yeah. Oh, shit. You got your shoes and shit in the road, bro.
We used to call these the Nike, you know how they had bread. We don't call these the bread 11s.
Yeah.
We call these the donut 15s.
Okay. Close that motherfucker up.
Like Gunsmoke Gangster Entertainment. You feel me?
Alright, yeah. Yeah, we out.
Alright, bro.
Alright, dude. Alright, yeah, man, we out, man. Appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm out. Let's get it.